The first measure word is 个. 个 is used for people or objects. And there are tips to remember. You can see the word 个. There are two parts, the left-hand side one and the right-hand side one. The left-hand side one is the radical 人. It's pronounced 人. This radical is derived from the character 人, which means human. And the characters with the radical 人 are usually related to the activities of human beings. And let's get back to see the right-hand side part of 个. The right-hand side part is 固. 固 means solid. It's pronounced 固. So these two parts combine together to form 个, the quantifier. So you can remember in this way, the human element plus the solid part. You can think of that, it's a human part plus a solid part. So this measure word is used for people or objects. Examples. 一个人. 一 means one. 人 means person. Numbers before most of Chinese measure words are changeable, but except for 一点 and 一些, which both mean some. So the numbers before them cannot be changed. 两个男人, 两 means two. 男人 means man. 三个女人, 三个女人. 三 means three. 女人 means women. Second measure word is 位. 位. 位 is used for people in a courteous way. Tips to remember. As we can see, 位 is made out of two parts, and the left-hand side one is the radical 人, and the right-hand side one it's pronounced 立, means stand. So these two parts combined together becomes the quantifier 位. So you can remember this way, that a standing human, it sounds like you need to pay more respect to that person, no? So you can use this quantifier to show your courteous way. Examples. 一位小姐. 一 means one. 小姐 means lady. 两位先生. 两 means two. 先生 means gentleman. 三位客人. 三 means three. 客人 means guests. The third measure word we are talking about is míng. Míng is used when introducing a person's career or title with respect. Examples. 一名女子. 一 means one. 女子 means female. 一名女子, a female, or 一名男子, a male, are often used in news context to indicate a female or a male get involved into something. 两名学生. 两 means two. 学生 means students. This measure word, míng, is often used in news context to indicate a person or people get involved into something or have done something. 三名警察. 三 means three. 警察 means police officer. The fourth measure word is 种. 种. 种 is used for a kind of something or a way of something. It's more like to categorize something. Examples. 一种方法. 一 means one. 方法 means way. 两种思想. 两 means two. 思想 means thinkings. 三种动物. 三 means three. 动物 means animals. The fifth measure word is 份. 份.份 is used for shares. parts, portions, copies of peppers. Tips to remember. As we can see, the radical human appears again on the left-hand side of this measure word, and on the right-hand side there is another part, which pronounced 分 means divide. So we can remember in this way, the objects are divided for humans. So we can think of this measure word is used for shares, parts, portions, copies of something, of a whole thing. Examples: 3份报纸 3 means 3. 报纸 means newspapers. 4份杂志 4 means 4. 杂志 means magazines. 5份点心 5 means 5. 点心 means snacks. The sixth measure word is 块. 块 is used for a block of something, big or medium-sized piece with pointed or square-like edges. Examples: 一块肉 一 means 1, 肉 means meat. 两块石头 两 means 2, 石头 means rocks. 三块砖头 3 means 3, 砖头 means bricks. The seventh measure word is 坨. 坨 is lump of something that is soft and creamy-like texture. Examples: 一坨牛粪 一 means 1, 牛粪 means cow poop. 一坨烂泥 一 means 1, 烂泥 means mud. The mud that is smooshy. The eighth measure word is 汤 is a puddle of water, blood, or something liquid. Tips to remember. As you can see, if you see a word with this radical, left-hand side of this measure word 汤, 99% that the word is related to liquid or water. Examples: 一滩水 一 means 1, 水 means water. 一滩血 一 means 1, 血 means blood. The ninth measure word is 滴 D is drop of something liquid, such as water, blood, or oil. Tips to remember. If you see a word with this water radical, such as this measure word on the left-hand side, that part is a water radical. 99% that the word is related to liquid or water. Examples: 一滴水 一 means 1, 水 means water. 一滴血一 means 1, 血 means blood. 一滴油一 means 1, 油 means oil. The 10th measure word is 粒 is used for like a grain of something that's tiny and round. Tips to remember. If you see a word with this radical, such as this measure word on the left-hand side, there is a cross and with 4 strokes at its corners, and 50% that this word is related to grains. Examples: 一粒种子 一 means 1, 种子 means seed. 一粒米 一 means 1, 米 means rice. 一粒盐 一粒盐. Yi means one. Yan means salt. The 11th measure word is ke. Ke is to indicate something that is in small bowl shape. Tips to remember. As you can see the measure word ke on the left hand side, that part, it means seeds or fruits. So it can be used on fruits. You can remember it this way. Examples. 一颗柳丁. 一 means one. 柳丁 means orange. 一颗珍珠. 一颗珍珠. 一 means one. 珍珠 means pearl. 一颗蛋. 一颗蛋. 一 means one. 蛋 means egg. So now let's compare the measure words 个, 位, and míng. 个 is used for people or objects, but 位 and míng are for people. 位 and míng, there are subtle differences between these two. 位 is mainly to mention people in a polite way, but míng is mainly mention people's title with respect. And for formality, 个 is formal enough for daily uses for conversations. 位 and míng, 位 is formal but less formal than míng, and míng is more formal than 位. Remarks for 个. We commonly use 个 for objects, but if you don't know someone, you can say 那个人. 那个 means that person, or 那个男人, that man. And also the same as for objects, if you don't know what is that stuff, but you want to mention it, you can say 那个东西 means that stuff. And for 位 and míng can be interchangeable, but for introducing people in formal occasions like business occasions, we tend to use míng plus his or her title. Examples. A teacher, we say 一名老师. 老师 means teacher. Lastly, let's compare 滴, ke, and 粒. 滴 is used for a liquid in round shape like a drop. Ke and 粒, these two measure words are used for solid and round things, but there are subtle differences between ke and 粒. And for size, 滴 can be small or big, but ke and 粒, there is a subtle difference. Ke is bigger than 粒. 粒 is smaller than ke. Remarks for 滴, you can put adjectives like big or small at front of 滴 if you want to emphasize on size. And for ke and 粒, they are interchangeable, but if you want to emphasize more on the size of the round thing, you can put big or small at front of these two quantifiers too. And that's it over today. Stay tuned for the next episode. And don't forget, subscribe our channel if our videos have helped you. See you next time.